Bisa diceritakan sedikit, mungkin ada kedekatan dengan mantan pemain Madura, Ante Bakmesku?
Apa?
Ada kedekatan mantan pemain Madura United, Ante Bakmas.
Oh, pendapatnya aja soal Ante
Iya.
Bakmas gimana?
Okay, what do you think about Ante Bakmas? Are you close with him? What is your opinion?
Mantan pemain
Madura's player.
No, the Makassar needs somebody to Makassar. We need a bit tinggi stopper.
Ya, kita butuh katanya stopper tinggi.
Yure Bakmaz is good, but we need a tinggi striker who is the leader, and the players already used to him. We have some names in the mind, and we'll see he already played 1 year for Makassar, and the players like him, and we have to find somebody who shoot to the players,
Ya, katanya kita harus cari pemain.
But
katanya
other
yang-
possibility maybe not just
yang memang cocok
Bekmaz,
dengan
Milicic,
PSM.
other Milicic, Boyan, the same. There is a lot of players interesting for us, but we need somebody who is taller, strong, who can bring the ball, who can lead the game like leader.
Ya, kita butuh seseorang yang memang tinggi, kuat, bisa juga seperti membawa bola.
And who understand our
Memang dia
Evaco
leader,
players,
pemimpin dan memang mempunyai spirit Evaco itu.